Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So in today's video, I am going to share a summer party glam look. And in this video, I am going to create a halo eyes using some lighter shades. So when it is summer, we always avoid dark shades. And so today's tutorial is all about how you can use light shade but still you can look glam during this summer. This video is all about one brand tutorial and it is my favorite brand Sugar Cosmetics. So without further ado, let's just start the video. So first for moisturizer, I am using Aquaholic Hydrating Stick. It will add instant moisturizer to my skin, and as it is summer, I need something very cooling kind of moisturizing on my skin. So I am just dabbing this Aquaholic Hydrating Stick on my skin like so and just prepping my skin for makeup. Next, I am using the Most LEG Blur Smoothing Primer, all from Sugar Cosmetics, and I am just applying this primer on those area of my face where I need to blur the pores, that is on the side of the nose, little bit on my chin area and little bit on my forehead. And I'm just dabbing the primer on my face like so and then blending it into my skin. In the next step, I am going to use a corrector, and for that I am going to use Sugar Cosmetics Face Forward Corrector Stick in shade 01 Peach Precedent, and I am just applying this corrector under my eyes, little bit on the side of my nose and on my mouth area, as these areas are a little bit dark and I need to correct them. Now blending the corrector using a damp sponge like so. The key to get a flawless makeup is just to use right makeup in the right way, and Sugar Cosmetics makeup products are just awesome. I just love them. See, all the dark area are now corrected, and now it's time for foundation. For foundation today I am going to use Sugar Cosmetics Power Clay BB Cushion, which has SPF 20, and I am using in shade 10 Latte. It is a very nice full coverage foundation. It comes up with a sponge that is just perfect to apply this foundation on your skin, and I'm just dabbing the foundation using the same sponge on my skin. It is giving me a full coverage. Can you just see? I am even using this foundation on top of my corrector, that is on my under eye areas and also on my upper lid area, just to conceal, because this foundation having full coverage, it is also can be used on your eye area instead of a concealer. Next, I am using for highlighting purpose Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in shade 12, and I am just using this concealer on under my eyes, just dot wise, little bit on side of my nose and also on my mouth area where I have used the corrector. This is the process where I just blend this concealer with the foundation and to just even out those area matching with my other part of the skin, and I'm just blending it with the damp same sponge. Moving on to setting my base, and for that I am going to use Sugar Cosmetics All Set to Go Translucent Powder. Now I am going to apply this powder on under my eyes like so for baking purpose, and I am just setting my entire face with this powder, and then I am just baking on my jawline area. Now this Sugar Cosmetics All Set to Go Translucent Powder is one of my favorite powder, as it does not create any white cast on my face and it has no color, and that's why doesn't add any color to your base makeup, which is the best thing about this translucent powder, and it just set your concealer and your foundation on place for hours. So yes, now I have just applied the powder on my T-zone area also. Now moving on to the eyes. For eyes today I am going to use one of my favorite palette, and that is Sugar Cosmetics Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in shade 01. This palette is full of neutrals, and this palette is just perfect for everyone, no matter what is your skin tone is, whether you are fair, medium or dusky beauties. So I choose this palette for today's look because as it is summer I will go for some lighter shades. So yes, you can see the palette comes up with a small brush also, which has a dual tip, and it also has a mirror, and I'm just swatching 4 random eyeshadow from the palette just to show you the pigmentation of this palette. Can you just see how beautiful it is? Now starting my eye makeup, I took the eyeshadow cream with a blending brush and I'm just applying it all over on my lid like so. Next, I took the shade Earthy Orange from the same palette with a small blending brush, and I'm just applying it at first on the outer V corner of my eye like so, and then moving towards the inner corner of my eyes and also blending the same shade on my crease line area. I am just trying to create a half circle on my lid, if you can notice carefully, with the same orangey shade, and I'm just giving it some time until I get the desired shade on my lid. Can you just see how beautiful the shade is? And this is the first step of creating a halo eyes. Now moving on to the second step, where I'm going to use a concealer. For concealer today, again I'm going to use Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade 12, and I took a lip brush which is a small and little bit of sturdy, as you can see, and I'm just applying this concealer on my crease line area. The technique is just to apply a dot on your crease line area and then just look up and then just look straight. In this way you can find out which is your actual crease line area. Can you just see I have applied dot a little bit on the lower, but when I look above, the dot is little bit on the higher. So I will take the top point and then I will start drawing a half circle on my crease line area with the same small brush using the concealer like so. It might take little bit of time and it need a little bit of practice, but practice make a person perfect. So just practice this trick, and as you can see I am trying to draw the half circle on my crease line area using a small lip brush, and then I'm just filling the middle part of my eyes with the same concealer. Now moving on to the same orange shade that I have applied on the outer V corner and the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm just blending the edges of the concealer using the same blending brush like so. Now this is important, you should blend only the side of the concealer, not on top of that, because there I have created a sharp edge just to give a sharp halo eye look. So I'm just blending both sides with the same orange shade like so. Now it's time for the middle portion of my eyes. For that I took a flat eyeshadow brush and then I'm just wet the brush using Sugar Cosmetics Grand Finale SPF 30 setting mist. Now this setting mist has an amazing citrusy fragrance which I just love it, and it is just perfect for this summer. It also has SPF 30. So yes, with a wet brush I took the shade Champagne Gold from the same palette, and I am just going to apply the eyeshadow on top of that concealers like so, just in the middle part of my eyes. Now take some time and just dab this eyeshadow on top of that concealer. Now for the last time I am using the orange shade once again, just for the last time, to blend everything on both sides of my halo eyes. I'm just using my finger to apply the same golden shade Champagne Gold from the palette, and I'm just dabbing it on top of my concealer area of my eyelid like so. Now dusting out all the powders that I have applied on my face for baking purpose. Moving on to the lower lash line. For lower lash line I'm going to use the same orange eyeshadow, Earthy Orange from the palette, and I'm going to apply it on my lash line area. Followed by I am just using the eyeshadow Champagne Gold using a pencil brush on my tear duct area and little bit on my inner corner of my eyes. So my eye look is done. Now moving on to the eyebrows. For eyebrows today I'm going to use Sugar Cosmetics Arch Arrival Brow Definer in shade 04. It is a dual-sided eyebrow pencil which has one side spoolie and the other side have the eyebrow pencil. I really like this Sugar Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. This is one of my favorite eye pencil and I usually go for this one. Now moving on to the liner part. For liner today I am going to use Sugar Cosmetics Graphic Jam 36-hour eyeliner in the shade 01 Blackest Black, and I am just drawing a wing liner on my upper eyelid area like so. I really like this eyeliner. It is transfer proof, waterproof, and it stays like forever on my eyelid area unless and until I remove it with a oil based makeup remover. Moving on to the lower lash line. For lower lash line I am going to use Sugar Cosmetics Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in shade 05 Black Magic. It is a black eye pencil with a little bit of silver glitter in it, and I really like this eye pencil. Moving on to the mascara. Today for mascara I am going to use Sugar Cosmetics Lash Mob Limitless Mascara in shade 01 Black with a Bang, and I really like this mascara. It just add volume to my thin lashes. As you can see, I am really impressed with this mascara. Now applying the mascara on my upper lash and lower lashes. Moving on to the face part. For face today I am going to use Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force face palette in shade 01 Subtle Summit. It has one contour shade, one blush and one highlighter. So first I took the contour shade and I am just contouring my entire face using a contour brush like so. Now moving on to the blush, and I am just applying the blush with the help of a blush brush. And finally I am just going to use the highlighter from the same face palette using a highlighter brush on my high points of the face just for highlighting purpose. I'm really impressed with this palette. It is damn pigmented and is just perfect for people who have fair to medium skin tone. Now Sugar Cosmetics have 2 or 3 shade range from this face palette range of Sugar Cosmetics. 01 is for fair to medium skin tone, and there are 2 more face palette which is just perfect for people who have medium to dusky skin tone. Now I am just using the highlighter on my brow bone area and also on my tear duct area. Now moving on to the lipstick. For lipstick today I am going to use Sugar Cosmetics Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick in shade 09, the Peach Boys. It is a beautiful peachy matte lipstick. Now this lipstick is one of my favorite range of lipstick. I have so many lipstick from this range of Sugar Cosmetics, and I particularly like this shade for summer, and this shade is just beautiful on all skin tone and it is totally matte. It stays like 6 hours on my lips, and I really like how the bullet is slim and it is so easy to line and fill my lips. So yes, my entire makeup is now done, and in the final step I am just going to spray a little bit of Sugar Cosmetics Grand Finale Setting Mist that have SPF 30, and again I am just bold over the fragrance of the setting mist. It just make me feel so fresh. So yes, this is my final look for summer party glam makeup with beginner's halo eyes and coral lips. So yes, that's all for today. I hope you like this summer party glam look for beginners. It is a very easy kind of makeup that I have done today, and all you just need practice and some good makeup products. And I would always recommend you to try out Sugar Cosmetics products because they are really good in quality and they are very affordable also. Do comment below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts regarding this video. I am signing off and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye.